Your wishes are being granted. Your dreams are becoming a reality. Because you have now this sense of worthiness. That was the missing piece. I keep hearing that. That was the missing piece. You were the missing piece. And now, because you are becoming whole, everything that you're feeling within yourself, you're going to be experiencing it outside of yourself as well. You're going to be reflecting that reality, just like a projector. We are projectors of how we are inside ourselves, inside of ourselves. So keep working, keep doing your inner work, because it is, you can't imagine the amount of blessings that are coming your way. Don't give up, okay? They were very specific when they told me to stay in touch with water, connect with water, drink more water. Like, even just stay in touch with water, like even when you shower yourself, when you take a bath, when you go to the ocean, just, you know, you receive information through water, and this will help you during these times of upgrading, of revelations. Like, the water will help you decode. The water will help you decode information that you are meant to be receiving. So stay in touch with water, connect with water, drink a lot of water. Also to detox your body, because the energy lately, I'm sensing that you are a very sensitive person, like in regards not to only the emotional part, but to, like, energetically, you're very sensitive. You could be an empath, a psychic, like a starseed, and you have to use your discernment, because you have been picking up on energies that are not yours, and you are allowing them as if they were yours. So meditate, drink water, stay grounded, and trust your intuition, okay? Pay attention to your own intuition, to the signs that you are receiving through dreams, through synchronicities, through angel numbers, through music. Pay attention.